Hello friends, welcome to Ease with Japanese, and today we are going to learn the letters of Ha series, how to write them. Okay, let's start. The letters of Ha series are Ha, so this is my Ha, He, Fu, this is Fu, He, Ho. The first letter in Ha series is Ha. So let's see how to write it. The first stroke starts from this red dot. So it will be like this and this. So this is my first stroke. So the second stroke starts from this red dot. So this is my second stroke. And third stroke starts from this red dot. So this is my third stroke. So these are the strokes of Ha. Let's see it with a video. This is my first stroke, second stroke and third stroke. Let's play again. First stroke, second stroke and third stroke. So this is the way to write Ha. The next letter is He. He has only one stroke and it starts from this red dot. So this, then this, whole, and now this. So this is my first row. Let's see it with the video. First row. This is the only one stroke. So this is the way to write He. The next letter is Fu. It is not Who, it is Fu. It has 4 strokes and the first stroke starts from this red dot. So it's like this one. So this is first stroke. The second stroke starts from this red dot and it's like this. Second. Third stroke starts from this red dot and it's like this. So this is my third stroke. And fourth stroke starts from this red dot and it's like this. So this is my fourth stroke. So we will see it in a video. First stroke, second, third and fourth. Let me play again. First stroke, second, third, fourth. So this is how we write Fu. The next letter is He. So this is my He and it has only one stroke. The first stroke starts from this red dot and it's like this and this. So this is my only one stroke. Let's see it in a video. So it starts from here up to this. Let me play it again. So the only stroke in He. So this is the way to write He. The next letter is Ho. It has 4 strokes and the first stroke starts from this red dot. So it's like this, this. First stroke. Second stroke starts from this red dot. Second. Third starts from this red dot. This is my third. And my fourth stroke starts from this red dot. And it's like. So this is my fourth stroke. We will see it through a video. First stroke, second, third and fourth. Let me play it again. First stroke, second, third, fourth. So this is the way to write Ho. If you have any doubt, please let me know. So if you like the video, please subscribe, share it with your friends so that they can learn Japanese free of cost. If you want to learn Japanese directly from me, please let me know through comment. Thank you so much.